गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज के हमारे पास जो हमारे बचे हुए क्वेश्चन थे आज हम वो करेंगे। सेकंड पार्ट है आज हमारा। कोई भी क्वेरी होगी फर्स्ट वीडियो से लेकर के तो कमेंट्स में वहां पर आप बता सकते हो। और अदरवाइज मैं चैनल का लिंक दे दूंगा जो लास्ट वीडियो होगी हमारे रियल नंबर चैप्टर की। और आप कंटेंट भी पूरा ये मिल जाएगा अ, उसी चैनल पर, मेरे चैनल पर। और हम पढ़ रहे हैं, कोई बात समझ नहीं आएगी, कोई भी क्वेरी होगी तो मुझे जरूर बताइएगा, ठीक है। तो वी हैव द क्वेश्चन नाउ। 196 एंड 38220, इसका एलसीएम फाइंड, एचसीएफ हमने फाइंड करना है बाय इक्वल डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम से। तो बेटा शेयर भी करिएगा, लाइक भी करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, यही तो हमारे लिए फीस है आप लोगों की। आप लोग हमें दान में दे रहे हैं, ये चीज लाइक्स दे रहे हैं, कमेंट्स दे रहे हैं, शेयर, यही तो हमारे लिए दान है सबसे बड़ा। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। 196 and 38220, you know that in the 38220, 38220 is greater than 196. We apply the division lemma to 38220 and 196 to obtain डायरेक्टली। जब हम 196 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 195 से तो डायरेक्टली 38220 होता है, which means remainder is 0. Hence, since the remainder is 0, process stops. Since the divisor at this stage is 196, therefore SCF of 196 and 38220 is 196. Okay. Then हमारा क्वेश्चन है अब, शो दैट एनी पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटीजर इज ऑफ द फॉर्म 6q plus 1 और 6q plus 3 और 6q plus 5 वेयर q is some इंटीजर। ये हमें प्रूव करना है, ठीक है। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। अब हम प्रूव करेंगे यहाँ पर कि हमारे पास के लेट बी एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर बी, हमने 6 मान के चला, we have the positive integer this, then by Euclid division algorithm, a is equal to 6q plus r for some integer q is greater than equal to 0 and r 0 1 2 3 4 5 because r जो है हमारा वो है 0 लेस देन इक्वल टू r लेस देन 6। हमेशा याद रखना जब भी हम डिवीजन लेमा लगाते हैं तो जो हमारा रिमाइंडर होता है वो 0 से लेकर के डिवाइजर तक होता है, ठीक है। Therefore, a is equal to 6q और 6q plus 1 और 6q plus 2 और 6q plus 3 और 6q plus 4 और 6q plus 5. Also 6q plus 1 is equal to 2 into 3q plus 1। लिख सकते हैं ना, 6 को हम 2 into 3q plus 1 and 2k1 plus 1, where k1 is a positive integer. So हमने 3q की जगह k1 इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया। k1 is the positive integer. Again 6q plus 3, इसको भी हम कर सकते हैं 6q plus 2। अब यहाँ पर भी 2 हमारा कॉमन आ गया, अंदर बचा 3q plus 1। अब हमने इसको मानना है k 2k मानना है 3q को, तो ये हमारे पास आ गया 2 into 2k plus 1 where k2 is an integer। k2 लगा लिया यहाँ पर and 6q plus 5 and this is equal to 6q plus 4 plus 1 and again 2 is common, 3q plus 2 plus 1, that is 2k 3 plus 1 where k3 is an integer। Clearly 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are of the form 2k plus 1 where k is an integer. Therefore 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are not exactly divisible by 2. Hence these expression of the numbers are odd numbers and therefore any odd number integer can be expressed in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, hence proved। Okay. आपको समझ में आया? then हमारा क्वेश्चन है 867 and 255 में हम क्या निकालेंगे? हमें निकालना है HCF. Again 867 is greater than 255. We apply the division lemma to 867 and 255 to obtain 867 255 into 3 plus 102. Since remainder 102 is not equal to 0, again we apply the division lemma to, then we have to apply to on 255 and 102 to obtain. Again we divided this 255 with 102, we have the remainder 51. Again it is not equal to 0, we have again applied 102 and 55 to the division algorithm. We have divided 102 by 51, again the remainder is 0. Now the process stops. The divisor is 51, therefore जो हमारा डिवाइजर होगा अब वो हमारा HCF होगा. therefore HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. Now again आपको समझ में आया? समझ में आया? अगेन मैं समझा देता हूँ कि ये 265 867 and 255. Then next question is an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? ठीक है, ठीक है. Then HCF of 616 and 32 will be give the maximum number of columns in which they can march. So we can use Euclid division algorithm to this. 616 and 32. We have divided 616 with 32. We get the remainder 8. Now the remainder is not equal to 0. We have again applied the division algorithm 32 and 8. Now we have to divide 32 with 8. We have the remainder 0, hence the process stops. The divisor is 8, the HCF is 8, therefore they can march in 8 columns each. Okay. Okay. Again मैं बता देता हूँ. अगेन बताता हूँ. एन आर्मी यानी कि हमें मैक्सिमम क्या चाहिए? गेन चाहिए कि कैसे हमारे पास मैक्सिमम गेन आए. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We have to minimize maximum. Then HCF means highest common factor, which means highest common factor. So we have to HCF is highest common factor. So HCF is highest common factor. We use that concept. Okay. And we have to find this. Now the question is, use equal division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 3. Then a is equal to 3q plus r. Some integer q is greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0, and r is equal to 0, 1, 2, because we have the apply division lemma this from a to the remainder divisor is 3, so the remainder is in with 0 r 3, 0 less than equal to r less than 3, इसके बीच में होगा. Therefore a is equal to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 or a2 is equal to 3q2 or 3q plus 1 2 or 3q plus 2 2, 3q2 or 9q2 plus 6q plus 1 or 9q2 plus 12q plus 4 equal to 3 multiply 3q2 or 3 multiply 3q2 plus 2q plus 1 or 3 multiply 3q2 plus 4q plus 1 equals to 3k1 or 3k2 plus 1 or 3k 3k 3 plus 1, where k1, k2 and k3 are some positive integers. Hence, it can be said that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay, अंडरस्टैंड. देख लीजिए एक बार इसको, राइट डाउन भी कर लीजिएगा, थोड़ा सा टाइम दे रहा हूँ. Okay, write this. Okay. Now this is complete. Now next is express each number. Express each number as the product of prime factors. 140 के prime products बनाएंगे. You can do it. 140 के 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. This is equal to 2 plus square into 5 into 7 हो गया. And 156 के 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. That is 2 cos square 3 into 13. 3825 के 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. That is 3 cos square 5 cos square into 17. Now next is 5005. Again 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Again 7429. That is 17 into 19 into 23. Now you write it.
Now next is use equal division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 3. A is equal to 3q plus r, where q is greater than or equal to 0 and 0 less than or equal to r less than 3. A is equal to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Therefore, every number can be represented as these three forms. And the three there are the three cases. Case number 1, that is case number 1. We have to show case number 1. Now case number 1. Case number 1. When A is equal to 3q, A3 is equal to 3q3 and is equal to 27q raised to power 3, 93q raised to power 3, which is equal to 9m. And where m is an integer such that m is equal to 3q raised to power 3. Okay. Okay. Write it all. सारे को राइट कर लो. Now case 2. Case 2, when A is equal to 3q plus 1. A3, A raised to power 3, 3q plus 1 raised to power 3. Again, we apply the A plus B key whole cube, that is 20. After simplification, we will get this. Now we have the common factor 9 in this accordance. We have 3q raised to power 3, 3q raised to power q raised to power 2 plus q plus 1. Again, this is a cube is equal to 9m plus 1, where m is an integer such that m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Then a is equal to 3q plus 2. A cube 3q plus 2 का whole cube. Again we apply a plus b का whole cube, that is 27q cube plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8. Again a3 9 3q3 plus 3 6q square plus 4q plus 8. Again a3 is equal to 9m plus 8, where m is an integer such that m is equal to 3q plus 6q raised to power 2 plus 4q. Therefore, the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m. 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay. Now you are write this. You can write now. Now we have to find the by a prime factorization method LCM and HCF. Okay, so this is the 336 and 54. The prime factors of 336 is 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 7, which is equal to 2 cross raised to power 4 cross 3 cross 7. 54 के हैं 2 cross 3 cross 3 cross 3, which is 2 into 3 cross 3. SCF in the common, here is 3, 2 is common here in 52, and in 54 and 336 2 is common and 3 is common. So 2 and 3 is 6, and LCM is 3024. Product of the two numbers 336 multiply 54 is equal to 1811144, and SCF into LCM is equal to 6 into 3024 is equal to 18144. Hence, the product of two numbers is equal to SCF into LCM. We have to prove this. Now we are prove this. Again, find the LCM and SCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into SCF is equal to product of the number 26 and 91. Now prime factorization of 26 is 2 into 13, and the 91 is 7 13. SCF is 13, common factor is, because of common factor is only 13. Here LCM is equal to 2 into 7 13, which is equal to 182. Product of the two numbers 26 into 91 is 2366, and SCF into LCM is equal to 13 into 182 is equal to 2366. Okay, again this is, as the product of two numbers is equal to SCF into LCM. Okay. Now next is this 510 and 92. Again 510 के जो है हमारे पास 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and 92 के 2 into 2 into 20 से SCF is 22, because here is common factor only. And LCM is this 23460. Product of two numbers is equal to 510 into 92 46920, and SCF into LCM is equal to 2 into 23460, and this is 46920. Hence the product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Hence proved this condition. Now next is find the LCM and the SCF of the following integer by applying the prime factorization method. That is 12, 15 and 21. There are 12, 15 and 21. The prime factors of 12 is 2 raised to 2 and 3, and 15 is 3 into 5, and 21 is 3 into 7. Here is the only common factor is only 3. So 3 is the common factor, so SCF is 3, and LCM is this 420. Only we have to find the LCM and SCM, not verify. Now 17, 23 and 29 का फाइंड करना है. 17 के फैक्टर 1 into 17, 23 के 1 into 23, 29 के 1 into 29, SCF 1. LCM is equal to 17 into 23 into 29, 11, 3, 3, 9. Again the 8 and 9 to 5 ये आप खुद करेंगे, ठीक है. Next, given the SCF 306 and 657, find the LCM 30665. Again SCF is equal to 9 हमें given है, हमें LCM find करना है. We know that LCM into SCF is equal to product of two numbers, and our numbers are 306 and 657. So LCM into SCF is equal to this, and LCM we have to find, SCF we have. SCF को हम यहाँ लाके जाएंगे 9 से, after simplification 22338. Okay, this is the last question for today's session. Hence, this is the last question for today. Thank you. ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें।